Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of alisthenics and sharing the top 5 skills you should learn for faster results. Remember, these exercises are not only challenging, but also incredibly beneficial for your physical and mental well-being. First on our list is push-ups on your fingertips. This variation may feel a bit awkward at first, but trust us, it's a fantastic way to strengthen your shoulders and improve your handstand technique. Next up is the one-arm pull-up. This impressive trick requires a lot of upper body strength, but once you master it, you'll be able to show off your skills in no time. Check out our video for a helpful guide on how to execute it safely. Thirdly, give the human flag a try. It's an excellent exercise for building strength and stability in your shoulders and hands. Start small and work your way up to hold that flag for as long as you can. Remember, practice makes perfect. Hey there, hustlers. Want to take your lead generation to the next level? Fan and Buster is the secret weapon you've been looking for. It's an amazing tool that can automate your tasks and save you hours every week. And guess what? By using my special link in the description below, you can support this channel, no extra cost to you. So, click the link, get started with Fan and Buster, and watch your productivity soar. Let's continue the main topic. Next on our list is the one-arm handstand push-up variation using dumbbells or kettlebells. This exercise targets multiple muscle groups and will help you improve your handstand strength in no time. Lastly, but certainly not least, take on some street workout chin-up variations using playground monkey bars or any available equipment. These exercises will work wonders for your upper body strength and overall fitness level. So there you have it, the top 5 alisthenics skills to help you get results fast. Give these exercises a try and see the progress for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more fitness tips and workout routines. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing your limits.